Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. I will be showing you how to make butter chicken. For butter chicken you will need, for the marination portion, 3 pounds chicken breast cubed, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of dry fenugreek leaves, which is also kasuri methi, 4 teaspoons of garlic paste and 4 teaspoons of ginger paste mixed together, half a cup of yogurt, and you will also need some oil for the marination. To marinate the chicken, add all the ingredients in the chicken and mix well. Add oil, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, salt, paprika powder, chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Add half of the fenugreek leaf into the marination. Rest you will use later. Mix everything well, then cover and refrigerate for 1.5 to 2 hours. You can marinate and freeze the chicken up to 2 months. For this butter chicken recipe, we will only use half the chicken to cook. For the cooking portion of the recipe, we will only be using 1.5 pounds of the chicken that we marinated. The other half of the chicken we will freeze for next time. So the recipe is according to 1.5 pounds of chicken. 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 cups of tomato sauce. You can make your own tomato sauce or buy canned. 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves, and you will also need half a cup of oil. Heat oil in a pot on medium heat. Then add onions and fry until golden brown. Then add marinated chicken and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. After about 8 to 10 minutes of the chicken being cooked, add tomato sauce and cook for about 7 minutes. Next, add the heavy cream. Let the heavy cream boil. When boils, sprinkle fenugreek leaves. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on very low heat. If you think that your butter chicken is too thick, you can add a little bit of water. The butter chicken is now complete. Serve this recipe with naan or boiled rice. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.